Hi everybody, I'm Tracy Bowman, Bowman for Art on Facebook, TABowman Studios, coming from Buzzards Bay. And you'll have to excuse me, I've been out in the garden and in the barn, and I want to come in and I want to paint a little bit. But I've got this canvas, and it wasn't tight, couldn't tight. Alexa, turn the music off. And so I sprayed the back of it to make sure it was really nice and tight. And listen to this. Turn up your volume. I don't know if you can hear that. It vibrates. It's just like a drum. That's what you want. You want it to sound just like a drum. So whenever you do a canvas, any canvas I've gotten out of the package never is tight enough. So spray the back of it with some water. I do use this product. I'll show you. It's called Tighten Up. And when I spray it, it just goes in the air, and I don't want to breathe that. So I take it and I pour some of it in my little spray bottle with water. And I spray the back of the canvas, a few good sprays, and I take a brush, just one of those cheap old brushes. I keep it just for the canvases. And I just brush it into the back all around, and, wait 15 minutes or so. Almost right away, it starts to sound much better. But you want a nice, good, tight canvas. You don't want it to be flappy in the frame. So that's just a little tip from me here in Buzzards Bay. And like I always say, happy painting. Thanks a lot. Like and subscribe so you can see what comes next. Thank you so much. Bye now.